This one is called End of Discussion for Omokri. Hey, my country people. I no sure say this man go this one free as Nnamdi Kanu, IPOP leader, file 60 billion naira lawsuits against Omokri for defamation of name. End of discussion. Hey, not just only that he was asked to pay 60 billion naira. He issued him 42 days ultimatum for him to go and render a public apology. Remanding a retribution and public apology, my country people. This is not a small case. So, this man called Omokri, he talks carelessly. I don't know why he hates Igbo people so much. This is exactly how he climbed on top of P2B and finished this man. Now, he thought he can do the same with Nnamdi Kalu and go scot-free. Maybe they didn't explain well to him about Nnamdi Kalu. He just they hear the name where him never know say this man no be anyhow person where you go talk to anyhow. So according to the Kanu's legal representatives, he said failure to comply within the given time frame may lead to serious legal consequences. Hey, this man don't enter one chance, but him no know. Nnamdi Kalu no be ordinary person where you go to talk to anyhow. You can talk to any other person and go scot-free. When it comes to Nnamdi Kalu, Onyendu, my brother, in fact, you are causing yourself more harm than good, which you are about to face now. If you don't have anything good to talk about him, you better keep silent because you don't have any reason to hate this man, with or without your tribe. You must like him. He's a must. Whether you're Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, you don't have any choice to like this man because he is only one who can stand before government and tell them the truth and nothing but the truth. In the High Court of Enugu State of Nigeria in the Enugu Judiciary Division holding at Enugu, between Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kalu and Reno Mokri, you are hereby commanded within 42 days after the service of this right on your inclusive of days of such services you do cause an appearance to be entered for you in an action at the suit of Mazi Nnamdi Kalu. And take notice that in default of your so doing, the plaintiff may proceed in your absence and judgment may be taken. Wahala. Dated this 31st day of July 2025. Memorandum to be subscribed on the right. This right is to be served within 1 year from the date thereof, or if renewed within 6 calendar months from the date of the last renewal, including the date of such date and not afterward. Form of the right of summons continued. The defendant may enter appearance personally or by legal practitioner, either by handling in the appropriate forms duly completed at the registry of the High Court of the Judiciary Division in which the action is brought. Hey! The plaintiff is a Nigerian citizen, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra IPOP, and a person of high public standing currently facing trial in Nigeria. The defendant is the individual responsible for defamatory publication, cause of action. The plaintiff is a well-known public figure and the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, an organization advocating for the self-determination of its people within the contraption, Nigeria. On or about 6/7/2025, the defendant published or caused to be published in his verified tweets. I know after all of this process, Reno, your head go calm down because you don't know how to talk to your elders. You don't know how to use words. You think it's just to come out on national TV and banter words with so many people. You feel like you are fearless. You don't fear anybody. After this particular 60 billion naira of defamatory of name, hey, if you go is scot-free, know ye that you be man. You already said that you only earn you earn your living here on social media. You don't have any other serious business. That if not social media, you don't think you can feed yourself, talk of people around you. Now, when you gather all the whole money and pay for defamation of name, by then you will know say you now you and man they do something. You think it's by calling out P2B, calling out so people that they are not up to your standard. I was like, who is this Reno for the first time? Who made you? You are just trying to let Tinubu to fix you in one or two things, just to give you any commission or something like that, just to give you any appointment. That's why you are yarning anyhow. It's not to compare you or bringing it to Nnamdi Kanu. Have you not heard that that name is such a big brand that you cannot talk to anyhow? You can't talk to Nnamdi Kanu and go scot-free. Now, he already see you. I believe by now, he said you came back from which country? Do you even say that you came back because of P2B? I don't know the country you are going to come back now to face this law suit against you. This will be a big lesson to so many of people out there. Talking to big brand anyhow, you don't talk to them anyhow. If you are talking, you shape your mouth. By the time Nnamdi Kanu will be done with you, you will know that you are just a boy, small man, not even a man. You'll be small man because this man is going to pay you back with everything Nigeria government is doing to him. And I'm gonna be in a very huge support because the way you look down on Igbo men, the way you talk to them anyhow, the way you rate them, as if they have done you anything wrong before now. So my country people, please let's go straight to the comment section. The first person says, good development. Let someone drag him in the court so he can pay lawyers in defense and the little change he got from Jonathan government will vanish. The other one says, right step on the right direction. A man should be selective on the choice of ways and not to parrot. This will caution Ren. If at all, he will be cautioned because he talks carelessly. The other person says if he finds guilty and could not pay for the damage, court should bring him out for public beating. The other one says, where will the bingo get such money from now? He said he has money, so he has to provide. Another one says, Ekeredulo, Yemisi, Enoch, if them remove that your brain, put them for bed, the bed go dey fly backward. The other person says, make it 100 billion so that we see money. Oh. The other one says, this time around, he is going to know the difference between Egbe and Egbe. Next life, he will mind his mate. The other person says, I talk am say this man, he must go soon put him for trouble. Him don't land for one chance, no be say na only trouble. Nnamdi Kalu wey been dey vex all this while over wetin Nigerian government been dey do am. Na this yeye man wan put mouth join. You want to dey talk to Onyendu anyhow. This is a big brand if you have forgotten. So guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to drop your opinion at the comment section. Just don't forget also to like and subscribe to this channel and I will see you in my next video.